Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to remove the breaths from our audio which sounds like this. Let me just play this audio in Audacity and then we will see how we can eliminate that. The complete training from scratch, you can check. As you can see, this breathing sound, it's little more than what we want. So what we'll do is just select this part, go to the effects and click on noise removal and repair. Click on noise reduction and get the noise profile. Now you won't unselect this and apply it to all. You will apply it to the same part only. Don't need to change the selection. Just go to the effects again and repeat the noise reduction. And now let's listen. The complete training from scratch, you can check out much better. So this is how you do it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.